irregular verbs in past simple and in ed. Shout, shouted. Jump, jumped. Pick up, picked up. Cook, cooked. Play, played. Irregular verbs in past simple do not end in ed. Catch, caught. Drink, drank. Go, went. Write, wrote.
My prince buys rings every month.
My prince bought a ring yesterday.
Bought. Irregular verb.
I eat porridge every day.
I ate porridge yesterday.
Ate. Irregular verb.
We drank hot milk near the lake.
He saw a dragon in the sky.
I drew a picture of the dragon.
We made a fire in the forest.
She wrote a letter to the king.
She went to pick us up in the forest.
We sang a song about the prince and the princess.
How to make questions with irregular verbs. Did I draw a picture of the dragon?
Did she write a letter to the king?
Did we make a fire? Attention! Если в вопросе есть вспомогательный глагол did, то неправильный глагол irregular verb не меняет свою начальную форму.
Did we drink hot milk?
Did she go to pick us up?
Did we sing a song? Find only irregular verbs. Press the button.
Buy, bought, bought. See, saw, seen. Draw, drew, drawn. Ride, rode, ridden. Write, wrote, written. Make, made, made. Give, gave, given. Drink, drank, drunk. Sing, sang, sung. Go, went, gone. Leave, left, left. Have, had, had. Eat, ate, eaten.